Okay, so that's not all we can do. We can do more with this. So we can also check if the decision is not equal to y. So below, I'm going to remove my indentation because we're no longer inside of this if statement, and I'm just going to say an if, and I'm just going to say if the decision and then not equal, and the not equals operator is just simply if we do an exclamation mark and equals, and then if I say y. So this is saying if the decision is not equal to y, and then if I just want to tell it that the code after this will be inside the if statement, I just put the colon again, and then I have my indented code, and I just simply can say that if they don't say y, so if they say no or they just say something random, then I can just simply say something else like why would you do this? So now we have our code. So if they say y, it's going to do this, and otherwise if they don't say y, if they just say something else, then it'll be why would you do this? So if I just run this with F5 and pressing Y, it still works the same way as before. And if I do N, then it gives this code. And I can just do whatever too, and it's not equal to Y, so it's going to still work. Okay, so what if there was a better way to do this though? We can see over here that we are basically saying that if this doesn't happen, so if the decision equal to y, if this code doesn't ever happen, then we're going to be doing this. So if this condition didn't execute, we're going to be doing this. So instead of just adding another check like we did over here, we can simply add an else statement to make this code a little bit simpler. So if I just simply change this to else, and then a colon, and then I put this by our if statement, then this is just saying that if this doesn't happen, we're going to be running this code inside the else statement here. Okay, so we can just see that if we run it again, then it still works just as it did before. So running it and doing yes, running it doing no, both of them still work.